Hello guys, and welcome to our brief math lesson. Here we have a question that we need to solve and give our answers in the form a plus root b, where a and b are integers. To solve this question, we need to look at it carefully and realize that here we have 5 raised to the power x, which is further raised to power 2. So please note that this is not 5 power x in brackets power 2 like that. It is x raised to the power 2. So there is a difference. Since we have noted that, let us write 25 to base 5 and also 625 to base 5, and then we'll be able to solve the question. So 5 raised to the power x squared divided by 5 squared is 25. Then we multiply the 2 by x, because x was the power to which 25 was raised to, is equal to 5 power 4. 5 power 4 is 625. Since from the law of indices, divisional law of indices, we know that if the bases are the same, we can simply subtract the powers, right? We write it having the base 5, then x squared minus 2x is equal to 5 power 4. That brings us to two sides which have the same base, right? So we can therefore conclude that x squared minus 2x is equal to 4. And this gives us a quadratic equation. X squared minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Using the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we are going to use the quadratic formula to solve this problem. So we only need to substitute the values of a and b and c in the formula. And therefore our x will be negative b, that is negative or minus, then b is negative 2, right? Negative 2. Then plus or minus b squared, again b is negative 2, so we square negative 2, minus 4 times a, the coefficient of x squared here is 1, so that is our a, times the value of c, which is negative 4. Negative 4. Negative 4 here is our value of c, all over 2 times a, which is 1. And that gives us 2 plus or minus 2 squared, or rather negative 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 4 becomes 16. And that gives us, or rather there we have over 2, this gives us 2 plus or minus 20. That is 4 plus 16 is 20 over 2. So what do we need to do? We divide 2 by 2 and root 20 by 2. But we notice that 20 can be written as 4 times 5. Since 4 has a square root, it's possible to find the square root of 4, which is going to be, the square root of 4 is 2. Then we retain the root 5 because we cannot get an exact square root of 5. It's going to be a decimal, right? And since we are required to find our answer in the form a plus root b, then maybe our b is going to be 5. Let's see. So next, we have 2 plus, or rather 2 over 2 plus 2 root 5 over 2. So we have separated the 2. We are dividing by 2 here and by 2 here, and that gives us 1 plus, when you cancel out, divide 2 by 2, plus root 5. All right? What about when we subtract here? Since we have, so x is 1 plus root 5, or our x can also be given by 2 over 2. Now we use minus 2 root 5 over 2, and that will give us our second value of x, and that will be 1 minus root 5. So we have two values of x, which are 1 plus root 5 or 1 minus root 5, and we have given our answer in the required form. Thank you.